To use TikTok Shop on PC, start by accessing the TikTok website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the TikTok Shop section, which can be found on the left-hand side of the page. Click on the TikTok Shop link to enter the shopping platform, where you can browse various products and categories. Use the search bar at the top of the page to find specific products or brands. You can also filter products by price, category, and seller ratings to narrow down your search. When you find a product you are interested in, click on it to view the product details page. This page includes information such as product descriptions, prices, and reviews from other customers. Make sure to read the reviews and check the seller's ratings before making a purchase. To make a purchase, click the Buy Now button on the product details page. You will then be prompted to enter your shipping and payment information. Make sure to fill out this information accurately to ensure your order is processed correctly. After completing your purchase, you can track the status of your order by clicking on the My Orders link in the TikTok Shop section. This will show you the status of all your orders, including pending, shipped, and delivered. Best practices for using TikTok Shop on PC include verifying the seller's ratings and reviews before making a purchase, reading the product descriptions carefully, and ensuring you have the most up-to-date version of your browser to avoid any technical issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use TikTok Shop on your PC to purchase a wide range of products from various sellers.